Hi everyone, myself Ashok C from Electronics and Communication Department SVCE. Today I am here to present my internship presentation on Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals Language Identification under the guidance of Divakara M. Here are the contents: introduction, objectives, block diagram, flowchart, components required, advantage, disadvantage, applications, results and discussions, conclusion and references. Coming to introduction, language identification is the process of identifying the language of a given text input. It is a fundamental aspect of natural language processing and is used in various applications such as machine translation, speech recognition, and sentiment analysis. Microsoft Azure provides several services that can be used for language identification, including the Text Analytics API and the Cognitive Services Language Understanding API. These services use advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to accurately identify the language of the input text. And coming to objectives, to identify the language of input text data and to introduce natural language processing and its importance in artificial intelligence, and to discuss the different applications and use cases for language identification in Microsoft Azure services, including customer support, multilingual website and applications, and to provide a comprehensive understanding of how language identification in Microsoft Azure services can help businesses and organizations. This is the block diagram. First we have to input the text file, and then by using pre-processing and modeling we can give the language detection, and we can give them output like sentiment, classification, entity extraction, translation, and topic modeling. This is the flowchart, like in label as a input and feature. From that we can extract the features, and by using machine learning algorithm we can classify the model. And these are the components required: text or speech input data. The first component required for language identification is the input text or speech data that needs to be analyzed. This can be in the form of plain text or audio recordings. And the next one is Azure subscription. A valid Azure subscription is required to access the Text Analytics API and Cognitive Services Language Understanding API. SDKs and APIs. Microsoft provides various SDKs and APIs to integrate the Text Analytics API and the API to different applications and workflows. Developers can use these SDKs and APIs to submit input text data and receive the identified language as a response. And the next one is data storage. Depending on the specific use case, developers may need to store the input text data and identify language in a database or other storage system. And the advantages are multilingual support, enhanced users experience, increased efficiency, accuracy, flexibility, and cost effective. Disadvantages are complexity, dependence on internet connectivity, cost, maintenance, and performance limitations. And the applications are customer support, multilingual website and applications, social media analysis, machine translation, and text analysis. Coming to results and discussion, by leveraging pre-built language identification models and APIs such as the text analytics APIs and the Elias API, the developers can easily integrate language identification into their applications and workflow. Microsoft Azure uses advanced machine learning algorithms to train their language identification models, resulting in highly accurate and reliable results. The conclusion: Microsoft Azure services offer a powerful solution for language identification that leverages advanced machine learning algorithms and pre-built models. Language identification in Microsoft Azure services can be easily integrated into applications and workflow, providing a more personalized and engaging user experience, improving efficiency, and gaining valuable insights into global trend and customer feedback. And these are some limitations and considerations when using Microsoft Azure services for language identification, such as data privacy concerns and performance limitations. Despite these limitations, the benefits of using Microsoft Azure services for language identification far override the potential drawbacks, making it a cost effective and reliable solution for many use cases. And the references, these are the references I have researched. No? Thank you.